Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have for you 7 packs of Pokémon Battle Partners. As you can see, this is Japanese Pokemon cards. And I had opened up some off camera, and this is a card I had gotten from some packs I had opened up off camera. Pack number 1. One of N's Pokemon. Magnear. I'm just going to skip saying this one because I'm struggling to say it for some reason. Yeah. Japanese card packs are only 5 cards per pack. And so far we've got 2 cards from 2 different trainers, Iono and N. Now here's pack number 2. Hops Wooloo. Tyranitar is our holo. And then a Butterfree. I think I'm just going to comment on the cards that are owned by a trainer or have a little trainer icon. Pack number 3. Iono's Voltorb. And then that one we didn't have a holo card. And there's Brock, and then can't remember a lot of Pokemon names off the top of my head, so this episode might be more silent than normal. Next pack, which is Swine EX. Unless I'm wrong. Wheezing, now coughing. Oh, last 2 packs. Let's see if we get anything like the full art that I got off camera. Here we go. Alright, this one was used by N. I just cannot remember its name right now. Hop's evolved form of Wooloo, and then Iona's Electrode. Last pack. Here's what's in the last pack. Hop's Brookadee. Guys, last card from these packs. In these packs, we got 3 of Hop's Pokemon, 2 of M's, and 3 of Iona's. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.